Hello everybody, I'm gonna be talking to you about Windows 8. Well, basically Windows 8 is the new operating system from Microsoft. Uh, this is the start screen, what they're calling it. It's gonna replace the start menu in Windows 7. Uh, and this is gonna basically help Microsoft have this as a tablet OS as well. So basically this is going to be like the tablet interface, and for those on the desktop you can go back on the desktop, but over here you can group. As you can see on the top, I have social, faves, video, games and desktop, and also other small groups. So basically I can go to the bottom corner here. On the tablet I'll be able just to pinch to zoom, pinch out, and I'm gonna get this zoomed out version of the start screen, which Microsoft is calling this semantic zoom. So in here I can actually just select groups. Select the groups, rearrange them. So if I use lots of desktop apps, I can put them in the start. And if I want to separate them and say, let's go here and say browsers, office, where's. So it's gonna take a wee while. It takes some time to get just to organize things the way you want. But once you get it done, that's you done, So I'm gonna put it there. Just to quickly show you how you can organize the start screen to work for your best interest. Let's say Microsoft. So right click on a group. You have to right click, go down to the app bar and write the name of the group you want. The name you want to group, the name you want to give your group. So in this case I'm gonna call here Microsoft apps, or whatever you wanna call it. And this one here I'm gonna call browsers, internet. Here I'm gonna call Adobe. And that's it. Whenever I'm done, just click anywhere. So now you can see I have like internet, Microsoft apps, Adobe Suite. This is gonna make it easier for, like, let's say the ones that don't understand much about computers. So basically they can get someone to set it up for them and say internet, and then it's gonna be always there. And all you need to tell them is that whenever you install a new app, the app is gonna come to the end here. So let's say I personally like the email app that comes with Windows 8. I want to put it just in front there, or I don't know, like any way you want. Like, it's up to you. You can organize it the way you want. And if I want to add more applications that cannot be found here, I can just right click and I get the app bar at the top, at the bottom, and I have an option for all apps. And here it's everything that is installed in my computer. If basically something is not in the start menu, start screen is going to be here. So unpin, that means it's on there. And from here I also can do other options. I can pin to the taskbar, I can install it, open new window, run as admin, open the file location, which is pretty handy. So let's say I want to pin this to the taskbar, and that's it. If I want to go back to the start menu, and here I am again. Of course it doesn't look nice the way it is now, but basically it's not final product yet. So I like the way the light ties look, all different colors, and you can get actual things, like as you can see there, the news is going up, showing different news. And I think it's a good start, like it's gonna be good. Tablets, I really want to get Windows 8 tablets, because it's gonna be like Windows, and I think developers is gonna be really into developing apps for Windows 8 as it's going to be able to work on a desktop, on a tablet, on a laptop, and I don't know, who knows, even the phone. It's going to be easy to port to Windows Phone 8 and so on. So I think Windows 8 is going to be great with apps. At the moment, there's not many apps on the store. The store is this is the way it's laid out. It's always scrolling horizontally. You get the same type of semantic zoom, pinch out, and you get this view if you're on a tablet. If you want to go back on, just click again. So this is basically it. So I want to see whatever I want to install. Let's say this app. I get this app page and I get the details. As you can see, this is going to can be run in any processor, ARM 6486. And you also get some reviews. You can get like most helpful and so on. You can make it like, let's say this is helpful, this really is good, so I can go ahead and install it. Takes a wee while and then takes you back to the screen you were before, and then you get the wee prompt whenever it's done. If you click on it, it's gonna open the app. So I want to go back to there. As you can see, it's really easy to navigate once you get to know it. Microsoft also have made some improvements on the desktop. It's like some people on the internet are like, I don't like Windows 8. Why do I like? I don't like the Metro style apps or whatever. You basically don't need to use it. So you can have arranged in group like this here, just like a better way to organize your start screen. Or else, let's say you want to search for something, you just press the Windows key and start typing, just exactly the same way you'll do in Windows 7. So let's say Firefox, and you press enter and it runs back to the Windows desktop. It's like I personally don't use much of the Metro style apps, but I do from time to time, I just keep something different. And it's good. Like, I don't know, like, it's different opinions. You can like it, you don't need to like it. And it's like people are already like saying like Windows 8 sucks, I don't like it, whatever, I'm gonna change operating system, I'm gonna go to Linux or whatever. Seriously, why are you saying that? Like, Windows 7 is out, what, 3 years, 4 years ago, and still plenty life left in it. And I don't think it's not gonna stop working because Windows 8 is gonna be out, and Windows 7 is like much better than XP, and XP lasted for so long, so I don't see why people are complaining so much. I personally believe that Microsoft is gonna also improve a bit more of Windows 7. Let's say like the Windows Explorer, you get so much options here. You get the ribbon interface, which is, some people find it really good, and also like the interface is much nicer. It's like flat, and the buttons are nicer, and I personally like it better. If you don't like the ribbon, you can also just hide it and just basically go like that there. It's like a preference. If you like it, you don't like it, it's up to you. If you wanna keep Windows 7, there's nothing wrong with that. But don't be telling people like Windows 8 sucks, I don't like it. It's faster, it's newer, like it's not final yet, and I'm sure it's gonna be better, and it's already better than Windows 7 or any